Yo, what's up, guys? How are you doing? I hope you guys are doing fine over there. So it's your boy MMD, Market Maker Disciple. So in my channel recently, I promised you guys that once I reach 200 plus subscribers, I'm going to be dropping a free goodies on my YouTube channel, and this is the free goodie. The case of study that I'll be dropping today is all about understanding of institutional order flow and validation of order blocks. You understand? Not all order blocks that you see are valid, you understand, based on ICT concept or market makers model concept. Um, so, so as I was saying, I'll be making use of Euro USD as a case of study. Okay, I'll be making use of Euro USD as a case of study. This is Euro USD 4-hour time frame. So before I start, I would like to tell you guys that I'm not a financial advisor and I'm not in for giving signals or stuff like that. Everything I said there is you have to be very cautious because you know the forex market is actually volatile, so you should be aware of the risk before you actually invest your money into it. So I'm just saying my own idea, my own ideas, like my perspective about the market, how I see the market, and how I've been trading it for years now. So let's start with Euro USD. So what do you understand by institutional order flow? What do you understand by institutional order flow? Institutional order flow can be said to be the market structure of the day. It can be the market structure of the month. You understand? The institution like the big institution, the big banks, they trade based on this order flow. Like it can be bullish for years, it can be bullish for months or for days or for weeks. You understand? So now, without wasting much of our time, we have two type of institutional order flow. You understand? We have it can be in form of something like these, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. This can be said to be what bearish institutional and bullish institutional order flow. So when talking about bullish bearish institutional order flow, you have something like lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, right? So now talking about these two forms of order flow now, we know that there should be something that this market is actually respecting before it actually pushes up further or before it actually drops down further. So now we always have something here. That's an order block. Okay, so trading the order flow of the markets. We have something like this as well. You can also have something like this with respect to ease. This is the order flow. Okay, that's the order flow of the market. So in this bearish manner, we have something like this here. We have something like this. Okay, that's the order flow of the market, bearish order flow. You understand? We have bearish order flow. So now, hope you guys can see that. So let's first talk about this bullish institutional order flow. Let's just talk about this bullish institutional order flow. You know, some people, some of you be like, I want to trade, then you don't know the how to validate your order block. For you to validate an order block, there are three things to consider for you to validate that this is an order block that is valid. The market is in a bullish order flow. Like the market is forming swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low, like higher higher lows, higher lows, higher lows. You have to always consider that is the market, like is the order block or institutional level at discount price or not. If the order block is not at discount price, then the order block is not valid. You understand? For example, now let's say the market is pushing up from here. Let's say we are having an high here, we have an high, we have a pullback, complex, we have a pullback there, then we have what this like this to the upside. You know, on norms, you guys will be like, this is BMS, right? This break of structure, very, very nice. This break of structure, we have this break of structure. So now what do you have to do, guys? This is the secret I've been using for years and it has been working for me. And I'm going to share you some trade that I actually took on the Euro USD based on this strategy that I'm unleashing to you guys right now. So I'm going to drag my fee from this level to this high, you understand, to this high. So I haven't dragged it, then I'm going to mark up my 50% level. I'm going to mark it up like this 50% level, this 50% level, half of the bullish order flow to the upside from here to this point here. So I'm going to mark it up like that. Then I'm going to say 50%. Okay. So I'm going to name it as 50%. So I'm going to name it as 50%. Then what do I have to do? Then I'll have to I'll delete this. I'll delete this. So what do I have to do then? I'm going to draw something like a box from here, like this. I haven't drawn this. Then what will I be looking at? This is what I'll be looking at. I'm going to split this box into two as well. I'm going to split it into two as well. So the downside will be what I call deep discount price. Understand? Deep discount price. Deep discount price. Deep discount price. What is deep discount price? Okay, the upside here from this 50% level to this edge here, I'll call it what normal discount price. Market can get there, but most times the institution, the big banks, they like pushing the market to the downside before they actually go to the upside. So where will I be looking for my order block? I'll be looking for my order block within this deep discount price before I actually take any trade. And my order block, it must be the last bearish candle look when the market was having pullback right from here. You know, when the market was like you understand, market having pullback here, the last bearish candle before the bullish candle that engulfed it, you understand? So where is that last bearish candle? I'll be looking out for it, you understand? From here, let's say we have the bullish candle here, okay? The bearish candle rather here, we have it here. Then we have our bullish candle that engulfed it, you know, we have our bullish candle that actually engulfed it. We have it right there. So our bullish candle, let's say this is here. We have our bullish candle right here. So that's our bullish candle. So what will I be expecting? Then I'm going to mark up my order block like this. You understand? I'm going to mark it. Sometimes there are ways of marking up order block, but that is left to my private mentorship stuff like that. You understand? So you know, this one is just like a YouTube stuff. I'm just trying to like get things together for you guys. So now I'm going to mark up my order block. There's a way of marking order block. There is by week, there is by body, there is by 50% level and stuff like that. You understand? So I'm going to mark up my order block at discount price. So I'm going to mark it up like this. Yeah. So this place will be I call this place protective stop loss. I'll target this place to be protective stop loss, protective stop loss. SL, protective SL, that would be my SL. It won't be more than 10 pips or 5 pips. Understand? Then what will I be expecting? I'll be expecting the market to I'll wait for days, even if it's for days or for months. I'm going to wait for market to push down or sell the market from the premium price. You know, if this level from this level here, like this, from this 50% level is what is discount price. Okay, if you should drag it to the upside like this, it will be for what premium. This place will be premium price. If you should split it, premium is where the institution like the big banks, that's where they usually sell the market. Discount is where they usually buy the market. So that's why some people are usually wonder that why is it that you guys you'll be buying market at premium price, like a very high price, and you'll be selling at what a very low price. So people don't understand the canons that actually guide the market system. So you have to know your edge in the market. So I'm going to split this into two. If you want to sell, if I want to sell like counter trend, this place will be my deep premium price. Understand? This will be my deep premium price. So deep premium price. So if you guys can actually practice this alone, you have an edge in the market. So here I'll be looking to sell the market right from this deep premium price. I know that there will be an institutional order block or mitigation block or any institutional level around there. So you guys should look out for that. Then with your confirmation entry on lower time frame, maybe SMS, or maybe taking away of liquidity or any type of reversal pattern that you can just check some of my videos on YouTube. You're going to see, or some of the PDF I sent to you guys on the channel. So I'm going to be looking to sell. Okay, then I will expect the market to like push to my discount price where my order block is lying. So that's where I'll be making my buy position. Then I'm going to stack the order. I'm going to stack the order from here. Then the institutional order flow is going to continue. That's how the institutional order flow is going to continue. Then we're going to have another some kind of pullback again. They can start creating liquidity, understand, stuff like that. So they are going to push it to the discount price again. How are you going to get that again? You just have to, sorry about that. You just have to like pick your Fibonacci, drag the low of the day, maybe like the H4 low, the daily low, the monthly low. You are swing trader, the weekly low, and the highs, like the range high and the range low. So this place, this high we are having here, they call it what, range high. Understand? They call it what, range high. Okay. This one we are having here, they call it what, range low. Understand? Range low. This one we are having here, they call it what, range high. This is another new range high because it has broken structure, the major structure here. So we are expecting the market to like push to the discount price again, deep discount price, or it can, sometimes the market might not get to the deep discount price. Like you just have something like this. Okay, I pull back, then the market just gets back here, but it is still within the discount below 50%. So the market might not get to the deep discount price. Sometimes it might just get to the no, let's say I can actually mark my 50% level often because I've been doing this for years now. So this is my 50% level. So I know the market might just get to, might not get to this the deep discount price. Okay, understand? So the market might not actually get to this deep discount price. It might just get to maybe like yeah, around there, but it is below 50%. You know, these are 50% level right here. Don't forget that these are 50% level. Right? Let me clone these down. Yes, these are 50% level right here, right here. So that's for a bullish market structure. You understand, guys? So these just as simple as that. Whenever you want to buy the market, you look to buy at discount price. Whenever you want to sell the market, you look to sell at premium price. But whenever you want to buy, you want to sell at premium price, you look for a valid order block. Let's say the market has been bearish for a while. Market has been bearish for a while. Then we have something like these BMS. Before you can actually sell, yeah, you should know that. Sorry about that, guys. Okay, let me just delete it and copy it. So now we have something like this: low, high, low. You understand? Low, high. You understand? Low. Okay, high, low. You understand? Then we have both BMS. We have BMS. Okay, you should know that this BMS right here. We have something like this here. We have BMS here, right? We have BMS here, break of structure. Okay, we have break of structure here, right? You should know that this is another block here. There should be another block here, the one that actually caused BMS here. So this market will actually be respecting this other block. And if you should mark it up like this, you should mark your Fibonacci, you should pick up your Fibonacci and drag it from here, from this level here, from this high here to this low. You realize that the you can see that the other block right here is at the premium level. So that's where I'll be looking to sell this market before I actually buy. So, and don't forget that if you want to buy it as well, you just have to like drag your Fibonacci right from here to this point above here, to this point here. And if it is to this point here, then what will we be looking at? We'll be looking for the market to return to below 50%. Don't forget, don't ever sell. I will never buy markets above 50%. I will never buy market above, even if the market swap me, I prefer that than buying the market above 50%. I would rather buy market below 50%, you understand, or sell above 50%. Okay, so I will never buy below 50%. Okay, above 50% rather. So I'll look for market to return to maybe normal discount price or deep discount price. Then I'll look for market to like, then I'll trade the order flow. I haven't seen that this eye is broken, then I'm going to break even, then close 80% of my position, and I wait market to like return to order block again, 50% level, below 50% level, then the order flow will continue like that. The same thing will happen on a bearish market structure. Understand? A bearish market structure, the market has been bullish for a while. Understand? The market has been bullish for a while. The order flow of the market makers have been bullish. They've been buying and buying and buying. Okay, been buying, creating highs and lows. Then we have something like this BMS, right? If you have BMS, then we have BMS right here. When you have BMS right here, what are you looking for? So what are you looking for, guys? You know that there is an order block here. How will you know that there's an order block around there? You're going to like drag a Fibonacci, drag the low. It is just an inverse of the one I just explained now. Then where is our 50% level? This is it here, 50% level. Market has 50% level. Actually, this is something I usually teach in mentorship, but I feel like you guys have done enough for me, giving me a lot of subscribers. I feel like I should do better for everyone in my every one of my subscribers. So that's my 50% level. Then I'm going to mark up my discount price. Where is my discount price, guys? Here is my discount price here. Okay. Then let's now say there is another block here. Let me delete this fee so everything can be clear to you guys. So sorry. So here we are having something like this. Okay, I know that above 50 is my premium price. Don't forget that. Above 50 is my premium price. Below 50 is my what discount price. Okay, guys. Hope you guys are getting that. So now, guys, let's say the last where you will look out for the last bearish candlestick that we're having here. The last bearish candlestick that we're having here. Okay, let's say that's a bearish candlestick there. We have okay, let's say that's our candlestick. Then we have a very, very long one beside it, the one that engulfs it. So you will mark up your order block. You should know that that's a valid order block. For you to know that another block is valid, if it is in a bullish manner, you understand, like the market has been bearish or bullish for a while, and you want to like buy from there, you want to like sell from, you want to buy from there rather. So what do you have to look out for? You have to look out for the order block must be engulfed by another candle with respect to the order flow. This is a valid order block. Then your order block will be something like actually I explained this much more better in my private mentorship. So, and I don't think I will be offering mentorship anytime from now because I'm really busy with a lot of stuff. Okay, guys. So that will be next year decision. So now, guys, I will mark up my 50% level. Then I'll be like, most time I like buying at deep discount price. And sometimes market might not get to deep discount price, but as long as market is within 50 below 50% level, I will be looking to buy. It can be from it might be from IPA entry, improper price action entry. It might be from mitigation block, market maker mitigation block. It might be from market maker breaker block or stuff like that. So I'll be looking for all these institutional levels at my below 50% level. So for now, I'm only talking about order block validation and institutional order flow institution. So this will be my order block. So I'm going to target this to be my order block. Understand? So I'll be expecting the market to like come here, but some of you might not be patient, so you just buy it off from here. Look out for confirmation entry on your lower time frame. Actually, I don't like counter trend, so I don't usually trade stuff like this, right? So we just look out for confirmation, then I wait the market to like return to premium level. For you to sell right from here, you have to like drag your Fibonacci. Don't forget this thing. This thing are very, very important. You understand? So mark up your level. All these things I'm saying, it actually happens on every time frame: 1 minute time frame, 1 second time frame, 15-minute time frame, 30-minute time frame, 4 hours time frame. But most time I trade the order flow 44 and 1 hour, you understand, and daily time frame. So because I'm a swing trader, so I use all these things very, very, very much like that. So you understand. So this place will be my what you should know already that this place will be our above 50% level. So this place will be my discount deep premium price. Don't forget deep premium price. Then I'll just call it deep premium price, DPP, deep premium price. Okay, so actually you won't be seeing all this label on my chart, but I usually do it because I don't like exposing my stuff like that, you understand? So you can just try it. If it works for you, you're good to go. And if it does not work, just try to find what works for you. So then I'll be looking to sell right from here. Once I confirm my order block or any institutional level, it might be IPA, it might be IPA entry, it might be IPA entry simply means like FUG, fair value gap, you understand? So don't be confused, guys. So I will look for a confirmation entry on lower time frame, then I will sell off. That's how the institutional order flow is going to continue. So now, guys, I hope I've explained myself better. So now, institutional order flow, for you to know how it works, I'm going to show you institutional order flow and order blocks. So I'm going to show you how it works on the real life chart, how I traded Euro USD. I made about like 500 pips in 2 weeks time. So let me show you guys. Let me show you on my live chart here. Let me show you guys on my live chart. So I'll be doing this on H4. Okay, guys, we're doing this on H4. So this was where I started. Actually, there is if you go to your daily time frame, there's a daily order block already. Understand? On the left hand side is around there. Okay. So there's a weekly order block already. So you should look at the weekly time frame very well. Can you see that? Can you see that, guys? I hope you guys can see that. So there's a weekly order block there. From here to here. There's a way of marking order block. You know, I said it earlier, right? So there's a way of marking order blocks in my private mentorship. So I just have to mark this level. For example, now this market is respecting uh, the body of the candlestick rather than respecting the wick. So going to my daily time frame, then what do I see, guys? What do you think I see, guys? Then on my daily time frame, I was totally confused. So I was like, this market is not really clear to me. So right from here, right from this level, that's when I've been trading Euro USD. Right from this level here, that's why I've been trading Euro USD. For a while now, I've been trading USD. But last week, I didn't trade Euro USD at all because the market was really convincing to me, and I'm not convinced enough. So I'm going to my H4 time frame. So what do I see, guys? What do I see, guys? I see that the market institutional order flow, they've already laid the blueprint. Like from this daily order block, the market start pushing higher, low, high, low, high. Now let me show you guys how you can actually make about like 500 pips, 1,000 pips in a week. It is very possible, guys. It is something I do in week time. So let me show you guys how this actually works. Sorry, guys. Okay. So you see, guys, look at this. We have high, low, high, low, high, right? Hope you guys can get that. So now, when I realized that this market actually touched the weekly order block right from there, you know what I do, guys? So guys, as I was saying, so sorry, my network actually got interrupted. So as I was saying, when you look at this order flow, you realize that the market has been bullish for a while. On getting to this daily order block, the market start pushing to the upside, high, low, high, low, high. So what do I notice, guys? What do I notice now? What I actually notice is that when the market gets to the daily order block, I was expecting something. What I was expecting is that I was expecting this swing point here, this level here to be broken. I was expecting this swing point here, the H4 swing point to be broken. I'm seeing that this market actually got broken here. Then I realized that we had a nice BMS right from here. Nice BMS right from here. Then I tagged that to be BMS. Then what I was expecting is that then I drag my Fibonacci. What I actually just told you guys now, right from this low to this high right here. To this high right here. Then what do I do, guys? I mark up my levels. There's a breaker block around here in the stand. So I mark it up. There's a breaker block around here. So I mark it up right here. There's a way of marking up all these things, okay? There's a breaker block there. So I mark it up by body. I mark it up by body. You know, I said there's a way of marking up all these things. I mark it up by body and the 50% level. There's a way of marking it up. So guys, don't be confused. Then I mark up my 50% level of the this is my 50% level. I don't need to target anymore. I hope you guys can see, can just see that right. Very, very clear. Then I mark up my my discount price. The marking up my discount price, I realized that there's a breaker block here, and also actually there's another block here. So there's another block right here. Order block. This place I'll call it RTO, return to order block. This place I'll call it RTBB, return to breaker block. Okay, and there is imbalance here, there is IPA entry here. This level here, I'll call it what? IPA entry. This level here. There's IPA entry here. IPA entry, improper price action entry. That's FEG. So now, guys, what I was expecting is that, you know, this is my 50% level, right? So I was expecting the market to like touch a level here, then sell off right from this level. I know the market is going to respect something here. Is it that the market respect this order block that we are having here, or the market actually respect this breaker block? Then what do you see, guys? The market actually respect the breaker block right here. Okay, the market respect the breaker block right here by 50% level and the body and the week rather, understand? So then what happened to the market? You can see the market price just push to the upside, it broke this swing point, this H4 swing point here. Then I was expecting the market to like return to this level here, or the market to return to IPA, or the market to return to RTO. Then on seeing that the market actually returned to RTBB, then I went immediately to my lower time frame from confirmation entry. Actually, we talk about that in confirmation entry in some other videos, if time permits, understand? So once the market is in my discount price, you know, this is my whole discount price. I'm looking to buy around this zone. Is either the market respect this level or it respect this RTO, okay? So on getting to this level, then I go to my time frame, lower time frame for confirmation. Then I bought Euro USD right from here. For a long period of time, I held it for about like 3 days or so. That was last 3 weeks or last 2 weeks. I don't know. I can't actually figure it out very clearly. So okay, I think that was last 3 weeks. Yeah, last 3 weeks. Then I held it for a long period of time. Right from here, I bought it right from here. Then I held it for a long period of time. Now that's about like 110 pips, 103 pips right from there. And my stop loss was not much. It was just about like 5 pips stop loss, because on lower time frame it allows me to use small stop loss. So now on getting to this market, then I still know that the market is actually still coming back to this IPA entry, this FEG, like fair value gap entry on my discount price. Don't forget that all the movements here happens on discount price. So I'm going to tell you even the next thing that I'm expecting Euro USD to do next week for you guys. So I realized that the market actually take away liquidity right from here. There is liquidity line around there. Understand? These equal highs. These candles are equal. So there's liquidity line there. The market actually take away it, and it gives us nice BSL, buy side liquidity taken out. On seeing this, I was like, wow, this is really great. BSL taking out because the swing point was not broken by body. If the swing point was broken by body, now be like, wow. So on seeing these, I was like, wow, I'm going to trade these. Then I was like, okay, let me trade these. Then I go to my lower time frame on H1. What do I see on H1, guys? Then so I use this order block, this smaller one here. I use it. Then on confirmation entry, I actually couldn't sold EU because there was no confirmation entry here. I actually did not sell EU here. Then I was waiting for another buy entry because I know the market is still very much bullish. Then what happened here again? On closing my position at 80%, when I see that BSL happening, I know something crazy is about to happen that afternoon then. So there is what do we have here? We have what equal lows here again. Equal lows here. We have liquidity line around here. I know that the market is still coming back to they're still coming back to like take away liquidity here. I'm very, very sure of that. So I was like, I'm going to wait for the market to like take away liquidity before I actually buy Euro USD again. Then on taking away liquidity right from here, we have nice SSL, sell side liquidity taking off. Actually, some of you guys might not know the meaning of this time. That's why I would advise you guys to just practice as much as possible and watch some of my videos. Then what do you see, guys? On getting to my IPA on my discount price, what do you see, guys? The market actually buys off again. That simply means we are still bullish on Euro USD. Then I bought it right from there after seeing my confirmation entry on lower time frame. I bought it right from there. How many pips? I closed about like 110 pips because I don't like closing on small pips. I like holding my trade for a long period of time because I prefer swinging. Understand? So you can see how I'm trading the order flow. You can see how I'm trading the order flow from the daily order block. So what do I expect? And the reason why I was actually buying Euro USD is because the swing point here H4 has been broken. So now what happened again? On getting to the breaker block around there, we should mark it up like this. Your fib level, mark it up from here, from this low to this low like this. And you mark up your 50% level right here. Then you know that above here from this point, from this level here to this level here, you should know that these places are your what? Premium price. So you are looking to buy either at deep premium price or normal premium price. You are looking to sell rather. So I don't usually counter trend, don't forget, guys. So I waited for Euro USD to like move and move and move and move and move for like days. I waited for the market to like come back here. Then what happened, guys? Look at my IPA entry, guys. Look at my IPA entry. The market came back again to my IPA entry. Then what do? As long as the market is at my discount price, I'll be looking to buy. So I bought right from here again with my confirmation entry. Here was my entry. I bought right from here again. I bought right from there again. That's about like I actually closed this market around there. I closed it around there. That I closed it here because I was like, I don't want any crazy stuff to happen. Then I closed it about like I think 80 pips rather. So closing 80 pips, half of my position. Then my stop loss was below my IPA entry. That's structural low. So what do I look for again, guys? I wait for market to like return. You know, I'm still using this H4 structure, but I'm using my H1 to like confirm my entry, like my 5 minutes to confirm my entry, my H1 to see the structure very, very clearly. So I waited again. Look at this, my IPA entry. Actually, there is a secret to this IPA entry, but I was playing that much better. So what happened? My IPA entry was invalidated right here because I know that the IPA entry has been used or mitigated 2 times. 1, 2. Creating liquidity. There's liquidity line here like this. There's liquidity line here. We are having equal lows here. We are having equal lows there. So I know that this market is still coming back to my deep discount price. Don't forget that. So I know this market is actually still coming back to my deep discount price, guys. So what do I see here? Here's my RTO here. Then what happened? The market actually come back to my RTO. They took away liquidity. We have what nice SSL here. Understand? Then what happened? They actually come back to the RTO, the origin of the movement. They come back there, then I bought right from there. I bought right from there. That was last week. I bought right from there. Then I held the market until the market actually broke structure. Market broke, take away this liquidity. We have nice VSL. You understand? That's about like 130 pips. I actually like egg the trade. Then I know something crazy is about to happen again. I knew something crazy is about to happen again. So on seeing these, I was waiting all through this week that what is going to happen on Euro USD. I'm looking for buying opportunities. So I'm still expecting the market to like come back to this out zero level. Euro USD might be buying right from here this coming week. So you guys should just look out for it, because if you go to your H4, you see it's very, very clear. You can see the order flow that I traded. If you calculate the pips together, you will realize that this is a very, very nice though. Now I'm expecting the market to like come back here again, take away this low that we're having here. Something like this I'm expecting to happen next week. Okay. Then I'm still expecting the market to like take away this low. But there's uncertainty in this market, because the reason why I'm expecting the Euro USD to still buy is because I expect the Euro USD to go return to the order block of the weekly. Understand? Here is what I'm talking about. Here's what I'm talking about. I'm expecting Euro USD to like come back to this order block, the weekly order block that we're having here. This level here about like 1.13075 level. So I'm expecting the market to like still come back there. You understand? So before you actually continue selling order flow. So guys, that's how all this stuff works. We can actually practice. So I'm expecting Euro USD to buy right from here next week. But if this low, if this protect structural low, this level here is broken next week, then I'll be looking to sell Euro USD. Is broken next week, I'll be looking to sell Euro USD, because that simply means the order flow has turned towards bearish order flow. Understand? So I'll be looking to sell Euro USD. The same thing is happening on same thing is happening on Euro JPY, Euro JPY and NZ JPY. You can see NAS. Okay, this NAS. Okay, you can see I've been trading the order flow of NAS as well. So guys, you just have to practice as much as possible. Okay, so thank you very much for your time. If you have any question, always ask in my DM on Telegram, and don't forget to subscribe and like and share this YouTube video, because it is an educational content and I expect much from you guys. Thank you very much, guys. If you have any question, you can always ask me. Thank you very much, guys, and take care of yourself.